Hello, in today's video about the Mercedes W123, I will show you how to install or replace a gear lever gaiter. When I purchased my vehicle, it simply didn't have any, so I bought a new one. So for the video I will mount it and I will show you how to dismantle it and replace it. Here we have the parts. That's a genuine Mercedes one. Of course, on the market you'll find different ones which are not genuine. But in case you want the original one, I will give you the part number, which is 12326700097. I will place it on the video anyway. Well, in order to change it, it's very easy. I will show you that in a minute. I just would like to remind you that if you want to participate in this channel, you can do so. You will see a link on the description of the video, and you can support whatever you feel that it's great. If you feel that this channel is saving you a lot of money, well, you can help me too, if you want. Okay, so now let's imagine that your gaiter is damaged, so it's ruined, so you want to remove it or change it, even for another one, leather or whatever. So what you do, you're gonna remove the surround first. So we're gonna pull it out, like so. You see, it's very easy. Once it's done, once it's loose, we pull it up, and now below here you will see there's a nut. We'll use a spanner of 15 and I'm gonna loosen it. You don't need to loosen much, like this. It's enough. And now you see the lever is actually loose, so we're gonna remove it completely. So it's quite long, it's quite a long stud. Here we go. Once it's done, we just pull it out and it's done. Okay, so now time to place the new one, or the one you want to fit. So we just place it back on top and we're gonna push it till we find the stud. Okay, and we're gonna place back the knob. So same thing, we have to screw quite a bit. And here we have to be careful that it's placed on in the correct position. Okay, you see here, for instance, it points that way, so it's not correct. So I'll place it facing front, then I put it up, I hold it, okay, because if not, now we have to tighten this. But if I don't hold it, it will move. So I will tighten now. You can see it, yeah. Here we go. Okay, it's not tightened, doesn't move. And now we place this back around, like so. Okay, perfect. But now, as we can see, it's a bit ugly like that, so very simple. We press it with the fingers, and that's it. It's done. Okay, so we can put it more at the bottom if we want, like so, and that's it. Done. That's it, my friends. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and until then, we'll see each other in the next video. See ya.